Hey, what's up everybody? This is Kalen from White Glove Models and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick review of the Minicraft model kits 144 scale Messerschmitt BF 110. So I just got this in the mail, pretty excited to open up, check it out, see what's inside, and thought I'd do that before I start putting it together so you guys can get a good review of what to expect if you do purchase this. So let's check it out. So this kit obviously just came with 2 sprues, and right here we have the wings for the aircraft and the propellers, and then these look like they're for the wheels right there, and everything looks really good. Not a lot of flash on it or anything like that. Pretty impressed so far, and there isn't any detail or rivets or anything, but you know, what can you expect? It's a cheap little kit, but it still looks really good. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. So let's take a look at the second one right here, and you've got more of the wing and then the fuselage right here, and everything looks really good. I'm pretty impressed so far, and you know, I wasn't sure what to expect, so 2 sprues, I'm happy with that. Next we'll take a look at these. Oh, there's a decal. So we'll check this one out real quick and see what we've got. So this kit does come with 3 different variants that you can do. And I believe these ones are for this middle one right here for the German Luftwaffe, the May 1941, and then also for the summer fall of 1940. So those are the options for this decal set. I like this one, but I might end up going with this middle one right there just because it gives me some more options. Then we've got another decal set right here, and these decals are for the version that's on the front of the box, and it's the one right there for the 1st of May 1942. So however you decide you want to do it is entirely up to you. I'm probably going to go with the middle one there for May of 1941. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with the quality of this so far. I do like the fact that everything looks like it'll go together pretty well. And you know, we'll see once we start building it. But here's the cockpit, and it's just the only clear piece in the entire kit. I'm going to go ahead and keep it in the package because I don't want to lose it. And I'm actually really impressed with the box that it came in for the price. I mean, they pretty much went all out to keep it safe and so no parts get damaged. The box looks really good. Pretty happy with that. And then here are the instructions, and open that up for you guys and give you a good look at the Messerschmitt BF 110. So this is the front page. Pretty simple, just some information on the actual plane, and then you have a single page just for the installation or instructions for building it, which is pretty cool. Definitely nothing that looks too complicated or anything, and it's pretty simple to put together. This is a level 2 kit, and it looks pretty simple. Then over on the other side of the page you have the first option for painting, and then on the back side you have the other 2 options. I definitely do like this top one here, but I bought these kits just because I want something inexpensive and easy to work on, something that I can throw together and practice some detail work and aging techniques and things like that, just to make it look a little better, and a kit that I could do all that on without really worrying about damaging it or anything like that. But anyways, I would highly recommend this kit for those of you that want just something to do over the course of a weekend or just one rainy day or something like that. It's a really easy, quick build. It's inexpensive, and definitely something maybe if you want to get the kids or grandkids into modeling, and something that once it's put together they can play with it and whatnot, and you won't have to worry about it too much because it's just a fun little kit. I was also thinking about ordering a couple of the Trumpeter 1/700 scale ships, and they have a few of them, a couple different websites that are fairly inexpensive, like under 20 bucks, and just ordering like 3 or 4 of those so that I can work on my detail and masking techniques and with painting and airbrushing and all that. That way, when it comes time to do the Arizona, I'm a little bit more prepared for that, because it's been about 20 years since I put together a model ship. So I definitely will be taking my time with that one. But anyways, that's enough rambling. Thanks for watching this quick review of the Minicraft models 144 scale Messerschmitt BF 110. And if you enjoyed the video, click the like button. And thanks again for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.